Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to find synthetic indices like VIX 75 boom or crash on something that works just like TradingView, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access these popular derivative indices on a charting platform that feels incredibly familiar, perfect for technical analysis, strategy planning, and everything in between. So let's not waste any time, let's get started. First, you want to head over to charts.deriv.com, open up your browser, any browser will do, whether you're on your laptop or your phone, and just type in charts.deriv.com into the address bar. Hit enter and in a few seconds you should see their charting interface load up. This is a must because synthetic indices like VIX 75, boom, and crash aren't available by default on the regular TradingView platform. So charts.deriv.com is your specialized portal to get those indices. Once you're on the site, you'll notice it looks pleasantly familiar. That's by design. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of the chart, right where on TradingView you'd usually search for a symbol. There should be a symbol search bar, often right above or next to the chart area. This is where the magic happens. Click on that search bar and you'll see options for the different asset classes. Under these categories, you'll want to select deriv. Think of this as telling the platform, hey, show me just the deriv-specific indices, which makes your search much quicker and easier. After you've selected deriv as your market, you're ready to search for your favorite synthetic index. Let's say you're looking for VIX 100, boom 500, or maybe crash 1000. Just type the index name or part of its name into the search field, like VIX 75, and you should see it pop up in the search results. If you're not sure how the index is spelled or if it's not appearing right away, try typing different keywords, maybe just VIX or boom, and see what options come up. Once you spot the one you want, just give it a click and the chart will load automatically. If you're used to traditional stocks or forex, this process should feel pretty straightforward. Now the cool part is that this charting tool basically replicates the full TradingView experience. Whether you want to draw trend lines, apply indicators like RSI, add moving averages, or just zoom in to study the last candlestick, all those familiar features are right here. If you've ever felt limited by other platforms, you'll find this interface super flexible and customizable. So play around with the tools, experiment with different timeframes, and make the chart work for your trading style. And there you have it. If you were hunting for a way to analyze VIX 75, boom, or crash on something that feels just like TradingView, you've now got the solution in your hands. Just remember. Charts.deriv.com is where you start, then choose deriv in the symbol search and type in the index you want. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a like, it really supports the channel. Got any questions or stuck anywhere in the process? Drop me a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And of course, if you want more helpful tutorials just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy trading.